Space debris crisis, Blue Origin, SpaceX wreckage found. Welcome to our channel. As space exploration accelerates, so does the problem of space debris. In this video we uncover recent incidents where fragments of Blue Origin and SpaceX rockets crashed back to Earth, one washing ashore in the Bahamas and another blazing across the skies of Germany and Poland. If you love science, space news, and technology, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest discoveries. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Falling from the sky, the European Space Agency confirms that space debris regularly enters Earth's atmosphere. But the uncontrolled descent of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket stage was an unusual and alarming event, originally launched on February 1 with Starlink satellites. The upper stage failed to complete a controlled splashdown, resulting in a fiery re-entry over Europe. Videos captured this spectacle, and a possible fuel tank even landed in Poland. Authorities, including the Polish Space Agency, were investigating, while SpaceX has yet to comment. The dangers of space junk. Falling rocket debris isn't just a cool sight, it can be dangerous. Experts warn that some space junk carries toxic or volatile materials, and weakened fuel tanks can explode if mishandled. While agencies claim the risk of injury is low, the increasing number of launches raises concerns. Blue Origin's fairing washes ashore. Meanwhile, a large chunk of Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket fairing was found in the Bahamas. Unlike the SpaceX incident, this was an expected disposal, but it still highlights the growing presence of space junk in our environment. Blue Origin is working to retrieve the debris. Should we be worried? Despite these incidents, space agencies insist that the chance of injury from space debris is extremely low. Far lower than getting struck by lightning, but with more launches happening every week. How long will this remain true? Join the discussion. What do you think? Should space companies be held more accountable for managing debris? Should there be stricter regulations? Let us know in the comments below. If you love space, science, and technology, support our channel by hitting that like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.